You have a lot of options when it comes to designing a modern garden. And in this video we will talk you through the various elements that you can include. With trends in colour tones constantly shifting, we don't recommend using any particular palette, just that you keep the colour tones simple and only use 2 or 3 that complement one another. Also, the modern garden design should be an extension of your home, so try to match colours with ones used interiorly. The modern garden is all about convenience. Busy lifestyles mean your outside space needs to be easy to maintain, as well as a place to relax. The ultimate in low-maintenance landscaping is paving. Most paving is easy to lay, and will clean up almost as good as new with a quick power hose. Natural-looking slabs in cool contemporary tones are a popular choice to bring a modern aesthetic to your space. If you are looking for a very quick and cost-effective ground covering, then gravel could be your answer. We suggest using a weed membrane underneath to keep the stone clean, but it can be laid straight onto soil or grass. This product is available in an extensive array of colour tones, so will perfectly complement other hard landscaping materials or planting. You can use borders to create geometric shapes and keep the minimalist look that is popular within modern garden designs. Just hosting plants in your borders will also cut down on the amount of weeding you have to do. Contemporary planting tends to have a glue plant, one that is repeated within the space. Grasses and evergreen plants are popular within modern garden designs, as they look good throughout the year and simplify the colour scheme. Good lighting is an essential part of the modern garden. Focus spotlights on elements such as textured brickwork, or the repeated patterns of planting to emphasise the design. Bronze fixtures will blend more seamlessly into the planting, though you can use the sleek stainless steel ultra-modern fixtures, which can become more of a focal point during the day. The modern garden design is brought together most successfully when the hard landscaping, furnishes and artful touches combine for a space that reflects your style and the surroundings. However, adding personality to your space without disrupting the minimalist aesthetic that is inherent in contemporary styling can be a challenge. To add warmth to this style, we suggest choosing furniture that incorporates wood, as this is a product that will never go out of style. You can also use decking for the same reasons, and this is another product that's very easy to clean with a power hose. We hope our video has given you some ideas for which elements to include in your modern garden design, and how to bring the whole space together. Thank you for watching our How to Design a Modern Garden video.